This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 251 rupees is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, oven, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, TV, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen SE 251 rupees is 5,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.